Find the volume of the solids below. Well, we know that for a prism, it's equal to the cross-sectional area times the length. So the cross-sectional area here is given to us, it's 20. So it's just going to be 20 times 8, which is 160 cubic millimeters. Now for this one, the end is a trapezium. Now you could do that as a trapezium or cut it into a rectangle and a triangle, but I'm going to do it as a trapezium. So the area of the end is, we add the parallel sides 6 and 4. You multiply by the distance between them, and since that's a right angle, that's the 7 here, and divide by 2. And that gives us 35 square centimeters. And so the volume is going to be 35 times 8. So 35 times 8 gives me 280 cubic centimeters. Okay, the cylinder shown below on the left is full of water. It is poured into the cylinder shown on the right. What is the depth of water in the second cylinder? So the first thing we need to do is work out how much is in here. But since this is in meters, let's change these to meters as well. So that is 0.3, that is 1.2. And so the volume for our first cylinder is pi times the radius squared times the height. So pi times 0.3 squared times 1.2 gives me this, 0.33929. And that is in cubic meters. Now, that's going to go up to a certain height, h, in here. And so if we consider it as a volume in the bigger cylinder, that is going to be pi times 2 squared times h. But of course we know that the volume is the same because we just poured the liquid in. So that's going to be equal to pi times 4 times h. And that means that h is going to be the 0.33929 and so on, divided by pi times 4. So just the last answer, divided by pi times 4, gives us 0.027. And that would be in meters.